1 second. Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I'd like to invite the speaker, Dr. Kamini Singh, who will talk about moringa-based products like powder, oil, and soap. I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Kamini Singh from Lucknow, Dr. Moringa Private Limited. Today, I am going to present the Moringa-based product. Basically, Moringa byproducts include a variety items derived from Moringa oleifera tree, such as the oil, leaf powder, and seed cake, etc. These are the products or utilization in diverse applications, including the cosmetics, animals, feeds, and even water purifications. So I'll start with moringa. What is the moringa? Moringa, a miracle tree. It's an innovation, benefits, and business opportunity. We believe that the healthy and fit life can bring the happiness to all, and happiness is key to state of mind. That is the moringa. Moringa, botanical name is the Moringa oleifera. The common name is the Moringa tree, sazon, miracle tree, bane tree, etc. The family is going the Moraceae, and native region the India's subcontinent, cultivated worldwide in tropical and subtropical region. Moringa. Moringa is the best known of the 13 species of the genus Moraceae. Moringa was the highly valued in the ancient world. The Romans, Greek, and Egyptian extract edible oil from the seeds and use it for the perfume and skin lotion. In the 19th century, plantations of moringa in the West Indies exported the oil to Europe for the perfumes and lubricants for the machinery. Peoples in the Indian subcontinent have long used moringa pod for food. The edible leaves are eaten throughout the West African and part of the Asia. Next, the moringa varieties. Moringa varieties Moringa variety keep a very important role in making byproducts such as all the products made from leaf, seeds, and stems and roots, etc. Basically, the PK1 variety, the high yield variety, the commercial cultivation and making a moringa based superfood like a powder, like a tablet, like a capsule, all are the products are making for moringa leaf powder. Second thing, ODC3, the Perioculum drumstick clone 3, the gaining the popularity of pod productivity and oil yield both. Local variety, the traditional types, growth of culinary use, and native adaptability like a vegetables, like a sambar and all the indigenous food. Uses of moringa. Basically, moringa are used a diversific applications like leaves of food supplement, powder, seeds oil extraction, water purification, pods are the culinary use of vegetables, pickles, and other soup and other pod-based products. Flower, the edibles and medicinal use, roots and bark, the traditional medicine applications. Like a moringa leaf, it's a nutrition of moringa, basically rich in vitamins, amino acids, essential minerals, and antioxidant. If you go the how to calculate the moringa oleifera, the nutritional value, that it means say the potassium is rich three times more than banana, calcium 4 times more than milk, magnesium 36 times more than egg, and iron 25 times more than a spinach, vitamin C 7 times more, in orange, and vitamin A, 4 times rich in carrot, vitamin B2, 50 times more than banana, vitamin B3, 50 times more than peanut, and protein, 2 times more than milk or the egg. What is the benefits of moringa in the body health? Moringa products are very useful in human body, like a boost immunity and energy level, boost support health, heart and liver health, aids in diabetes management, enhance skin and hair health, natural detoxifier and anti-aging supplement. These are the Moringa oleifera main medicinal use that strengthen the immune system, clean the body from toxin and heavy metals, extermination of the parasites in the intestine, supporting treatment during the radiation and chemotherapy, supporting treatment during the lack of appetite in children, helping with osteoporosis treatment, supporting with diabetes and intestine infections, gum infection, prostate infection, various skin disease, breathing disease, head aches and margin arthritis, gout, and hair loss. Moringa, derived from the Moringa oleifera plant's parts. What parts are used in the for Moringa based product, making Moringa based product, like leaves, seeds, pods, roots, and flower. These are the parts for making a Moringa based product. Like process into the powder, oil, extract, and feed additives, utilize the healthcare, nutrition, cosmetic, agriculture, and wellness industry. Like a moringa leaf powder. This powder made from the dry and ground moringa leaf is a popular ingredient in health supplement, teas, and food product. It also known for its high nutrient content, including the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant. Moringa oil extracted from the seeds. Moringa oil is the bright yellow oil and with a pleasant flavor. It's used in skincare and cosmetic, as well as in machine lubricants and as a perfume based. Moringa seed. Other moringa byproducts, the moringa seeds used in oil extraction and also consumed directly. Moringa pod, also known as a drumstick, these are the edible and rich in vitamins and minerals. Moringa pellets are made from leaf powder. These are the used as animals feed. Moringa tea made from the dried and ground moringa leaves. It is a caffeine-free herbal tea known for its health benefits. Moringa seedling used for the plantation, and the moringa honey, a type of honey infused with moringa known for its health benefits. Like a moringa leaf, we are also used a moringa chutney powder, a healthy and delicious instant chutney powder made with moringa. Moringa capsules, making from moringa powder or extract encapsulated for easy consumption as a supplement. Moringa skin brightening serum, it used for the moringa oil for cosmetic product, using the moringa oil for skincare. Moringa rice mix powder, a powder used to make a healthy and delicious. That is, I have saying the moringa market is expanding with product like the moringa leaf powder, seed, and oil, seeing insufficient of the global demand. Major moringa byproducts like moringa leaf powder, making from dry leaves, moringa seed oil, is also known as the bean oil. Moringa tea is also making a moringa tea cut leaves and other ingredient induced. Moringa capsules and moringa tablets are used in moringa leaf powder or moringa leaf extract. Moringa seed cake for the animal feed and fertilizer, and moringa extract for the cosmetic and pharmacy, and moringa roots and bar extract are also used on the medicinal purpose. What is the benefits of moringa byproducts in industrial or commercial purpose? Moringa byproducts using a different sector like a pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and agriculture. Pharmaceutical formulation, different type of pharmaceutical byproducts like a tablet, capsules, supplement. It's a pharmaceutical byproducts of moringa. Cosmetic moringa byproducts. These are the use of the oil-based or leaf extract, the oil face serum, handmade soap, for using of moringa oil, and agriculture for the eco-friendly fertilizer and animal feed also. Current market scope of moringa. Growing demand in nutraceutical and superfood segment. Increasing use in organic and herbal cosmetic. Rising export opportunities in Europe, USA, and Asia Pacific regions. Rising adoption in health conscious consumers and market. Why moringa byproduct? Moringa byproducts like a natural and organic, 100% natural and organic, sustainable and environmental friendly, high value, nutritional and medicinal value, versatile application is across the multiple industry. Demand of moringa. Global market value, I've seen the USD the 7 billions 2014, and projected CAGR percentage the 8 to 10%, and demand of this product, the high demand from the functional food and wellness sectors. Key consumer segments are healthy, conscious consumer, animal feed producer, nutraceutical companies, organic farming enterprises, cosmetic and skincare industry are a key consumer of moringa based product. These are the moringa supplement market. North Asian, America, Europe, East Asia, South Asia, Eurasia, and Middle East. Future scope of moringa byproduct. The moringa is the very important crops in demand of the today market, national market and international market also. These are the plant-based supplement. Basically, moringa growing focus on the plant-based supplement, cosmeceutical product, expanding of applications in cosmeceuticals product. Pharmaceutical research is also doing for industry level, and medicinal plant board like research into the pharmaceutical applications. New product for the development of moringa based energy drink, snacks, different types of moringa bars, different types of cookies, different types of pickles, and also these are the natural products and future scope of the moringa products. Future market growth driven by invest of moringa. Moringa, a sustainable and profitable crop, highly sustainable and profitable crop for the farmer level, and as well as the as well as the commercial level. High global demand, the versatile byproducts with high global demand, a market leadership. Dr. Moringa Private Limited is the positioning a lead to the market, innovation expansion, strong the potential for innovation and expansion. Potential innovation in Moringa byproducts. The Moringa byproducts, plant-based meat fortified with Moringa protein isolate, combination Moringa protein with other plant proteins for creating more nutrition sustainable meat alternatives. Moringa fortified fruits and vegetable blend, innovation health food combination, Moringa leaf powder with fruit, vegetable, chips, puree products for added the nutrition. Biofuel from Moringa oil, using the Moringa seeds oil as a sustainable source for biodiesel, trial ongoing in renewable energy sectors. Biodegradable packaging from the Moringa fibers, research and developing the compostable packaging, marketing using Moringa byproducts for the sustainable industries. Moringa based water purification solution using the Moringa seed powder as a natural co-pollutant of low cost eco-friendly water purification in rural and urban area. Moringa-based functional textiles incorporation Moringa extract in this textile to create the antimicrobial odor-resistant fabrication. What is the challenges in the Moringa industry? Moringa industry, the multiple challenges facing for for startups, for farmers, for local public, like a limited awareness in rural market, unavailability of quality planting material, regulatory and export the compliances challenges, need for the advanced processing technology, seasonal cultivation, constant. These are the challenging of Moringa industry and Moringa based farming also. Strategy recommendation. The strategy recommendation, like the first is the product diversification, focus on supplement product diversification, cosmetic expansion into the cosmetic and potential care like a soap, face serum, face pack, hair pack, and Ubutan. These are the cosmetic expansion. R&D invest in the pharma application and networking, strength networking for the strengthening export network, and brand marketing is also there. About the Moringa, Dr. Moringa Private Limited, what are you doing for the Moringa, Dr. Moringa? Dr. Moringa leading a manufacturer specializer in processing, R&D and marketing of premium Moringa byproducts. Sustainable solutions focus on organic, sustainable and health-oriented products. Global research servicing domestic and international market across the diverse sectors. These are the photographs for conducting the farmer training or student entrepreneurs and showcasing the byproducts of Moringa in different places of Uttar Pradesh and different places of in India. Our achievement, the promoting the organic agriculture, encourage the shift from the conventional to sustainable chemical-free farming, protecting both health and soil. doubling farmer income, empowered the hundred of farmer by technology, hybrid, moringa cultivation, and organic farming techniques, fighting the malnutrition activity, working to the combat nutritional deficiencies by promoting the affordable moringa-based food supplement across the rural and urban population, empowering women and marginal farmer, providing the livelihood opportunity to women-led self-help groups and small marginal farmers through the processing and value addition of moringa. Organizing committee training session and seminars and digital campaigns to spread the awareness of the moringa health and economic benefits. Built the farmer to market linkage, ensuring the fair pricing and consistent demand for moringa produce. Moringa based innovation, the development the new byproducts and expanding the market to make the ultimate superfood across accessible globally. On the dealer and providing byproducts on the basis of dealer, distributor, and franchisee mode both. These are the photographs achievement. Our chief minister awarded for this prize for the best moringa innovation and byproducts. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Kamini, for the detailed presentation. So I'll now take up some questions. So the first question is, what are the key health benefits of moringa-based products like powder, oil, and soap?
Moringa benefits, basically the moringa leaves powder is the more potential in the industrial area. Moringa leaf powder, moringa tablet, and second thing is the the moringa oil for the cosmetic uses also and pharmaceuticals.
Any other benefit? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I was asking any other health benefits?
Yeah. Also drumstick with adding the sugar, cholesterol management, boosting immune system, improving the skin and hair care products. These are the key products of moringa based.
Okay. And how do you ensure the quality and purity of moringa products, especially oil and powder?
Actually, moringa quality basically check the where the sources of moringa leaves, dry leaf powder, where the sources of moringa seed oil. Basically, in my climate environmental, the farmers are using the more insecticides, more chemical fertilizer to ensure to check and check the laboratory what this leaf quality is good for byproducts like pesticide free, like heavy metals free, and natural color. Aroma is good, color is good for the testing of quality. In other different laboratory like Kerala, Indosat, Delhi laboratories also there, and everywhere the quality parameter like a nutritional analysis for determination of quality check.
Okay. And what is the difference between cold pressed moringa oil and refined versions?
Cold press oil basically using the cold press oil basically use of different for machinery use. Like, what is the temperature for extract the moringa oil? For the multi-purpose oil extract cold press machine, like SS based machine and bamboo based machine, a different weighing extraction of machine. But moringa cold press machine is the natural for using the byproducts. But the refined moringa oil, the nutrition is not there compared to moringa cold press oil. Basically the moringa oil, refined oil used for different, using the chemicals for distillation of moringa refined oil. But moringa cold press oil, it's a very natural oil. So moringa cold press oil is a very natural, and process moringa cold press at using the basis of chemical based. So
Okay. And are there specific moringa varieties best suited for product development, that is
a
oil, powder,
specific
or
variety
leaves?
is the moringa PKM. One variety is the best for moringa leaf powder or tablet, and all type of moringa byproducts. And moringa ODC variety and Momax variety for best for moringa seed oil and drumstick, drumstick also. And moringa drumstick for the ODC3 and PKM2 is the best variety.
Okay. And what are the basic steps involved in processing moringa into oil, powder, soap, and shampoo?
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the?
What is the basic steps involved in processing moringa into oil, powder, soap, or shampoo?
And these are the different byproducts. Moringa powder using for moringa dry leaves for the pulverizing of moringa powder in different mist system, and moringa oil is making a moringa seed oil, that is the kernel oil, for the cold press method. All traditional method are also used for moringa seed oil. The moringa seed oil percentage, like a 1 kg moringa seed, you get a 10 to 15% moringa oil. And the moringa soap are using for the moringa leaf powder and leaf oil also, based on both are the making a moringa soap. And
Okay.
moringa powder is a different byproducts, like cookies, like energy bar, like laddu, and other food supplement are using for the moringa leaf powder. Maximum products are making by the moringa leaf powder.
Okay. And what kind of machinery or equipment is required for small scale or farm level processing?
For the small scale, the moringa value addition byproducts, if any person are going, the first upon the moringa dehydrated machine for the leaf drying machine, capacity 100 kg to 500 kg. If you if our requirement. Second thing, moringa pulverizer machine for making a powder. After that, the moringa sieving machine for the sieving of moringa powder, and packing machine and packing material. Also, these are the packing instruments of moringa byproducts. Moringa powder, sorry.
Okay. And is there any natural preservatives used in moringa based
No,
cosmetic products?
no, ma'am. It's a natural. It's no added any type of preservative. Life cycle is a 1 year in powder. So you do not use any type of preservatives. If you want to add the preservative, the sodium benzoate 1%, if you save the long time, so 1% is sodium benzoate is sufficient for. Otherwise, you no need a preservative in moringa powder.
Okay. And what are the current market trends and demands for moringa products in India and abroad?
Moringa demand basically moringa Indian market demand is not more, but international market is very popular. And every year, global demand of moringa, especially the moringa leaf powder, growth due to the increasing the awareness in health and benefits. The market is projected to reach 14.20 million by 2028 with compound annual growth rate CAGR of 9.63%. This is the global market demand.
Okay. And how should small farmers or FPOs approach branding and packaging for moringa value-added products?
How? Excuse me, ma'am. Please repeat your
I'll
question.
repeat. How should small farmers or FPOs approach branding and packaging for moringa value-added products?
It's our organization or any others?
In general, and your organization as well.
Actually, if anybody and startups are starting and making a moringa based product to reach our Dr. Moringa or visit our www.drmoringa.in and call for arrange for expert and explore all details like what is the you making a product like powder, tablets, capsules, oils, soap, everything is calculated.
Okay. And can you share success stories of farmers or women SSGs who are earning well from moringa value addition?
Yes, different farmers are success in moringa farming and moringa based product, basically increasing the like a Haryana techniques turn the organic farmer a road become a profitable venue. Second is 5 moringa entrepreneur who made the moringa based product ex scientist moringa venture empowerment. Farmer like Anil Kumar Singh are the experienced sustainable financial gain and from moringa cultivations with some earning up to the 1.5 lakh rupees from the same land proportionally used of the traditional crop like wheat or paddy. Value added the success isn't just a growing moringa but also in a value addition. For example, the establish a brand for Dr. Moringa selling a product like a powder, soap, and oil, sustainable farming, some business like the one run the Jitendra Man and Sarla are the expanding into the international market, demonstrating the global demand and Moringa products. These are the success stories of Moringa farming and Moringa based products.
Okay. And what is the average cost of setting up a small moringa processing unit?
5 lakh for the small moringa. If any entrepreneur go to the moringa based product like a powder, so 5 lakh is a sufficient for starting the industry, small scale industry.
Okay. And what kind of profit margins can farmers expect from making powder, oil, soap?
A
Sorry,
profit
I'll repeat.
margin, a profit margin of 30 to 35%. It's including all expenses like raw material, manufacturing cost, labor cost, including all. 30 to 35% net profit.
Okay. Is there scope for government support, MSME subsidies, or startup grants for such moringa-based businesses?
Yes, yes. Different organizations are supported for moringa based product like MSME, horticulture department, a PMFME schemes, KVIC schemes. These are the many government schemes are facilitate the moringa based food product, moringa based supplement, moringa based cattle feed based product. All subsidies are there, 30 to 35% subsidies in government organizations are relieving the all type of startups.
Okay. And what certifications are needed for exporting moringa powder or oil?
Basically, moringa exporting difficult. One thing, quality parameters, and the raw material is not going to organic, NPOP certified. No one material available in bulk quantity, no one material in free from pesticide, no one material available from heavy metals. These are the major challenging for exporting of moringa products.
Okay. And which countries have the highest demand for Indian moringa products?
South Africa is the major demanding countries. Germany, USA, Dubai is the major demanding countries are the moringa.
Okay. One second. Okay, Dr. Kamini, I don't see any more questions. So before we end, I would like to ask one last question. Please let us know a little about your career background and what made you to take an interest in moringa and starting a
If
company.
anybody are going to for moringa industry, or you like to start the moringa byproducts, coming other than international market, a very big market, and domestic and international market are the both. For the coming a year, all peoples are aware of health conscious based, particularly for its the nutritional and medicinal properties. India is a major global producer of moringa, which are domestic market products like all byproducts are using for health benefits. Our, our domestic market, the functional foods and wellness, nutraceutical, dietary supplement, traditional medicine, and pharmaceutical, organic sector, export market are all already is there. So the big scope coming year for the moringa products and moringa based product.
Okay, can you let us know a little about your career background?
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. the carrier is
No, what I'm
100%
asking
are
is,
set
no,
about this.
okay. My question was about your own career background.
Excuse me, what?
Can you let us know a little about your own career background? What did you
Myself,
study your
basically,
education?
I am a horticulturist. Last 17 year working in agriculture and agriculture based products. So we have started last 9 year before a moringa cultivation, and coming many type of products are making moringa based products in Lucknow area. So that my specialization for agriculturist, as I am agriculturist, we have all cultivation practices are well done. All the formulations are know very well. So I was starting for this journey.
Just 1 second. Okay, Dr. Kamini Singh, I don't see any more questions. So now we have come to end of question round. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we like to thank you for the presentation and answering all the questions.
Thank you.
We'll be ending this meeting now. Thank you.
Thank you so much.